Hi lovelies, welcome to my kitchen. I am Joysweet Delicious Kitchen. In case you are just coming across this video for the first time and you like any of my recipe, please, if you not follow me and like my page, kindly do so with love. If you like any of my recipe, please, you can support my page by sharing with your friend. Share with love. If you have any question to ask me, please feel free to send me a message on Messenger, or you can as well drop me your comment in the comment section. If you like this recipe, please guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. In this video, I will be showing you how to make the best Nigerian goat meat pepper soup. Also, I will list out all the ingredients used on the screen. Please guys, support your girl by sending star, a digital gift that help me grow my page. Please guys, support your girl Joysweet Delicious Kitchen. Also support me by sharing my posts. Don't only like and comment if you love this recipe, guys. Please support your girl. Thank you all for all you do. May the good Lord bless you all for your support, for your love. Much appreciated. God bless you all. You all have a blessed Sunday. Thank you guys. You are really amazing. You guys are so amazing. God bless you. See you guys in my next video. Bye.